So in today's video, we are going to learn what are operators. So the answer is operator is a symbol in Java that is used to perform operations. So examples are plus, minus, multiply, divide, etc. So we will see an example where we are doing an addition operation. So here int x, this is for that we are defining the type of x as int, and then we are storing 10 plus 50. So this will store 60 in x. Now there are further types or groupings of operators in Java. So first is arithmetic operators, second is assignment operators, then comparison operators, logical operators, and bitwise operators. So we will go through them one by one. So first in our list is arithmetic operators. So arithmetic operators are of three types. So in this video, we are going to cover only basic arithmetic operators. Rest two will be covered in next video. So basic arithmetic operators are the operators which will not change the value on which they are performing the operations. So see the example here. If we are declaring int a equal to 10 and int b equal to 30, and if we try to print this will print 40, but value of a and b will remain same after this execution. But in case of other two types of arithmetic operators, the value will get changed after the operation. So let's see how operators work, basic arithmetic operators. So here, this is for addition, plus operator will be used, and some of the operators will act differently on different type of data. So that's why I have taken two examples, one in which we are using floating point equation and in another we are using integer equation. So see here, add 1.0 plus 2.0 is coming as 3.0, and since integer cannot have fraction part, so 1 plus 2 is coming as 3. Similarly, subtract is 10.0 minus 4.0 is coming as 6.0, and here it is coming as 6. But if you see at this divide operation, see 23.10 divided by 10.0, it is resulting in 2.3. But when we are doing similar thing on integer, it is resulting in 2, because integers cannot have fraction part. Therefore, we have a special operator called as modulus, or sometimes we call it as modulo, which is represented by percentage sign. So here 23 percentage 10, this will give us the remainder. So 10 will be 23 will be divided by 10 two times, and then it will give us the remainder, which is remaining is 3. So this modulus operator works similarly in integer and floating point. Here also it is giving us a result as 3. So this is very, very important operator which we will be using in many different programs. So let's see the example now. We'll create a class, basic arithmetic operators. So we will see what are the results. We'll create a main method. We'll declare int a equal to 20. Let's do 21, so that we can check modulo also. Int b equal to 10. Now we will, this is example of addition. We will copy paste it 5 times. This is subtraction, multiply, divide, and modulo. So we will write our expectation as per our understanding. So 21 plus 10 is coming as 31. So this should print 31. This is 21 minus 10, So 11. This is 21 multiplied by 10. So this will be 210. This should be 21 divided by 10. So this will be, since it is integer and it cannot have fraction part, so it will print 2. And similarly, this is 21 percentage 10. So this will give us the remainder. So output should be 1. Right click, run as Java application. So can we match our outputs? Yeah, that is what we had expected. Now we will change these to float. Float A and float B. And since float can have this type, okay. So why it was giving error? Because float and double both represent numbers with fraction. So we will have to define by this f that this is a floating point number. If we declare this as double, then we will have to do a double D. Oh, double spelling is wrong. C. So here now we are performing floating point operations. See how it runs in result. See, the fourth result had changed because it can give us the fractional part. So we will end this video here. In next video, we will learn prefix postfix operator which change the value.